Today, we're going to learn how to add roles on the Discord mobile app to better manage your server. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more Discord tips and tricks. Firstly, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Navigate to your server by tapping on it from the server list. Once you're in your server, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner to access the server menu. From there, tap on your server name to enter the server settings. Now tap on Roles within the Server Settings menu. Here you'll see a list of existing roles within your server. To add a new role, tap on the plus icon usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will prompt you to enter a name for the new role. Type in the desired name for your new role and customize its permissions according to your server's needs. You can adjust permissions such as manage messages, kick members, ban members, and more. Once you've configured the new role to your liking, tap on the Save or Create button to add the role to your server. Your new role is now created and ready to be assigned to members of your server. You can assign roles to members by tapping on their name, selecting Roles, and then selecting the appropriate role from the list. By adding roles to your Discord server, you can effectively manage permissions, organize members, and create a more structured community. And that's it. Now you know how to add roles on the Discord mobile app. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy server management.